Hi everybody and welcome to Alexi React. Today I'm gonna react to 3 PMVs because I love PMVs. They always get me in a freaking good mood, especially after a weird day, because that was really freaking weird. I mean, I'm working in the hospital. It's normal to see weird stuff, but today was really weird because one of the surgeons shown me right after an operation, a piece of intestine that we removed from somebody, and she cut it right in front of my face and showed me the inside. That was fascinating, but it was really weird, especially that they remove a part with a cancer in it, so it was like a big black ball of flesh attached to it, so that was really weird. And another thing that happened is that I found a baby left alone in the bed, not even in the crib, in the bed for an adult, in the pile of sheets like that, you know, its head is here, you know. So I was like, what the fuck was the parent, you know? And they were gone for, I don't know when, and they came back like 20 minutes later. What the fuck? So I was like, I'm gonna tell you, the nurse was really happy that I went to search her for that, because damn, that was not, that was weird. That was really weird. Anyway, sorry, I had to let it out, you know, to talk a little bit about it, instead of keeping it for myself. So anyway, today I'm gonna react to three PMVs. The first one is called Raining Tacos. The second one is Strangers PMV, and the third one is called It's About Time, made by OhPonyBoy. Now let's start with Raining Tacos. Well, it says in the title a Sonata music video, so yeah, it kind of fit, but what I expect? I don't know. Well, the title seems straightforward, but beside that, I don't know. So, you know what? Like Pinkie Pie said, enough to chat, Thomas Candy. Let's start this video. 3, 2, 1.
It's raining tacos.
She got
out of the sky.
A male voice.
No need to ask why. Just open
she's so
your
kawaii.
mouth and close your eyes.
Jimmy.
It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos. Out in the street, tacos. All you can eat.
Oh, we would have had a ribbon. She was so cute.
It's raining tacos. Yum, yum, yum.
So kawaii, man.
It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh.
Sour cream.
Shell.
Sweetie butt.
Lettuce. Cheese. Shell. Meat. Lettuce. Cheese. Shell. Meat. Cheese. 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 Cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Back in the air.
It's raining tacos. It's raining tacos.
Pinkie.
Raining tacos.
Look at the Joe damn. Like, whee! Look at that. That was awesome. Sorry. That was awesome. First of all, I love the model of it, of those characters. So kawaii. I mean, the chibi style is always I don't know, always awesome. It's so freaking cute. So so yeah, there was so many characters and stuff. And if you blink, I've seen Rainbow Dash with a blue ribbon in her hair. She was really cute. Anyway, that was awesome. I don't. That was so random, but that was awesome. I love it because there's some part that it feels really funny. Like when you see the characters like just spinning, like someone would have took them and threw them like, oh, wee! Like, I don't know. I just find that funny to imagine somebody throwing them. That was so kawaii, but so freaking funny. That was awesome. That was awesome. So anyway, let's move on to the next one. It's called Strangers. Sorry, there's a S at the end. I don't know. I don't know. We don't know what to expect from this one. I have absolutely no idea what it implies. Strangers. Also, I noticed it says PMV, so Pony musical video. So I know it's gonna be Pony related. So anyway, like big best enough to chat on Miss Candy. Let's start it. No, I can't damn it. I didn't miss. Now. Oh. Music by Scratch 21. Featuring El Monte. Oh, really? Awesome. I seen recently Mr KupKake. He did Twilight versus.
I'm waiting for your touch to stop this. There's smoke blinding us with goodbyes, and I keep hope. 'Cause this feeling's different, and I know I've staggered so long that it can't go. Alleviate me, I'll be fine. In time. Please remember that I miss you, young and reckless. What did we do? Broken promise, gone forever. Maybe one day we'll get better. Right by your side.
This is wonderful.
In a heartbeat, if you ask me, let's stay strangers like we're meant to. Oh, I wonder if you miss me too.
Oh, this is kind of sad coming from as lyrics. Yeah, I shift so much Sweetie Belle in Button Match. I don't know. Always love that.
Find me. I'm
Oh?
laying right here where you left me.
Sweetie Belle!
Shattered and bruised, but I'm breathing. They pray for me, ignore their eyes. Just try. We're dancers, and I pick petals looking for answers. And I've received these edges from cancer. Intolerable, but I'll be fine in time. Please remember that I
where is
miss
this
you.
separated
Not
then?
caring is so hard to do. Everything we love together, it's not the same without you. There feels like you were just beside me. How did time go by so quickly? Now we're strangers, but I miss you. Oh, I wonder if you miss me too.
told him feeling. Well, you know. Anyway, it's a song, but I don't know. I mean, that was awesome, but I love that kind of song because it always something that I really wanted, you know, to feel love towards somebody, you know, with a girl. But anyway, my point is that I can't relate on that because I don't know. I still. I don't want to go too personal here, but it's just hard for me to trust people. So developing a relationship like that, it's kind of hard to imagine for me. But at the same time, it's really something that I really love. That kind of song really reached me because of that, because it's really something that I really wish to live with somebody. It's like it's pretty much like the song. What was the song again? It's yeah, the song All of Me. Man, I wish that I could live that. Seriously. But beside that, the animation was really awesome. I love that ship. Seriously, button mash is weird, but I don't know, but I love that ship. Okay, for me, it's pretty much like Rainbow Dash and Soren. I don't know why I see them together, so it's really awesome. So on that, anyway, that was awesome. I love the animation. Made Mr KupKake. That's funny because I recently reacted to Twilight versus Rainbow Dash video, which was the animator. It was really freaking good. So yeah, that's awesome to see all those names I recognize. Besides Scratch 21, but anyway, he did the song. It was freaking good. So anyway, let's move on to the last video. It's called "It's About Time" PMV. It's made by OhPonyBoy, and I love OhPonyBoy. Seriously, he's doing so much freaking good video, as much visually, as much as funny, or just awesome. I don't know. I really love this video. So yeah, it's been requested from you guys. So It's About Time PMV. Just let me a second. Sorry about that. I don't know, my SMS started to give me trouble out of nowhere. So yeah, it happened really. But anyway, I'm really excited to see this video. So let's not wait any further, and let's start this video in 3, 2, 1. Music and video by OhPonyBoy. Oh, he did the music? Rip the living tombstone. What? What? Oh, the music is really good, seriously. Sorry. It's really good. For some reason, you can't remind me of man, the music is really good. Man, the armor is so fucking badass, seriously. What? She fucking cut her head! The Godfather all over again. She's all freaking bloody. Holy crap, man.
Pinkie Pie style. 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 When I was a little filly and the
sorry, couldn't help myself. Yeah, that was that was freaking awesome. First of all, the music was really good. Seriously, the kind of song that I could dance on, no problem. That would be freaking awesome. Seriously, and I'm really surprised that it was not a made-up song. It was made by OhPonyBoy. I'm sorry, it's been a while since I've seen his stuff. But yeah, the music was really good. Even though the part when Luna is starting like that for some reason I can't put my finger on it, but it reminds me of a game, a PS1 game, where there's a part where there's someone singing and that sounded that with the same tone, you know. I don't know what it is. Anyway, but beside that, animation was really good, but what the heck was happening? I mean, I understand that there was the theme of time, so and stuff, but stuff started to freaking confuse me when Luna started to being creepy pasta style with black eyes, and then I gotta say though that her armor was really badass. I love the concept here. She really surprises me when she started to cut heads. I was like, what the fuck, man? Really not what I was expecting. Especially not from OhPonyBoy. But that doesn't mean that was not awesome. That was awesome. Definitely awesome. Woo! New messages. Sorry. Anyway, I don't know what's the same one in this. Damn it, my days. That was so freaking good. I love the creativity behind it. Yeah, that was awesome. So. I think my neighbor is not gonna be happy that I'm recording that late, so I think that's my cue to stop here. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this as I did. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.